infection. An infection is the invasion of organism body tissue by diseases, causes, agents, their multiplication, and the reaction of host tissue to the infectious agent and the toxins they produce. An infectious disease is also known as a transmissible disease or communicable disease is an illness resulting from an infection. Infections can be caused by a wide range of pathogens, most prominently bacteria and viruses. Hosts can fight infections using their immune system. Mammalian hosts react to infection with an innate response, often involving inflammation followed by an adopted response. Specific medication used to treat infections include antibiotics, antivirals, antifungals, antiprotozoals, and anthelmintics. Infectious diseases resulted in 9.2 million deaths in 2013, about 17% of all deaths. The branch of medicine that focuses on infection is referred to as infectious diseases. Types: infections are caused by infectious agent pathogens including bacteria, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli, Clostridium botulinum, and Salmonella. Viruses are related agents such as viruses, fungi, further subclassified into Ascom- Ascomycota, including yeast such as Candida. The most common fungal infection, filamentous fungi such as Aspergillus, pneumomosquito species, and dermatyphoids, a group of organisms causing infection of skin and other spherical structures in humans. Basidiomycota, including the human pathogenic genes, cryptococcus, parasites which are usually divided into unicellular organisms, malaria, toxoplasma, babesia, microparasites, worms and helminths, including nematodes such as parasitic roundworms and pinworms, tapeworms, costododes, and flugs such as scotiworms. Arthropods such as ticks, mites, fleas, and lice also can cause human disease which conceptually are similar to infection but invasion of a human or animal body by these macroparasites and sometimes termed infestations as well but are sometimes called infections prions although they do not excrete toxins. Sigma and symptoms. The signs and symptoms of an infection depend on the type of disease. Some signs of infection affect the whole body generally, such as fatigue.